Sandra!
Smith! Smith, I miss you.
Hold on.
Mama, see Smith.
Hold
son.
on, please. I am here to invite you for my wedding. Here is my wedding invitation card.
Wedding invitation card?
Yes, of course. And meet my sweetheart. This is my wife to be.
Hey, Smith, I don't understand. What do you mean by your wife to be and your invitation card? How?
Sandra, what is it that you don't understand? This is not difficult. I am here to personally invite you to my wedding.
I don't understand, Smith. You left me and you're coming back with an invitation card introducing me to another woman as your wife to be. Smith, you can't do this to me.
Please,
you can't do this to us.
Sandra, please, can you take your hand off me? As you can see, I have moved on. My life have changed. I'm not the Smith that you know yesterday. Now I have money. I am now on money. And I have decided to make my choice. This is my wife. As you can see, she's so beautiful. Her name is Confident. So please, meet my wife, and also on that day, you're personally invited. I will make sure that they serve you on a VIP table.
Smith, tell me that you are pranking me. This was not the plan. This was not the plan. You told me that if I get a loan from the company where I work, that you're going to make life better for us. That you're going to make money and take me abroad so you can take care of me. Smith, don't do this to me. Remember all we shared. Remember the love. Mama, this was not the plan now.
My son. See, what kind of thing is this? How can you tell my daughter that you are bringing another woman? Remember the suffer and everything that my daughter passed through to make sure that you reach where you are going.
Mama, I really appreciate what your daughter did for me.
Good.
Yes, she did all those things, all the things you mentioned for me. But that was in the past. But no problem. I now have money. I've made money. Smith have made money. So as for the things that she spent for me, all those sacrifices, the money she lent from the house, and whatever, I am here to pay in full. Mama, don't worry. That's not a problem.
Smith, no, don't do this to me. Because of you, I was fired from the working place where I used to work. Because of you can't just do this. You're breaking my heart, Smith. You can't do this. Because of you, I came back to the village. Look at me, working as a laborer. I suffered everything I have ever worked for in this life. I suffered. I saved up. It was not enough. I had to learn from my company. They fired me, Smith. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do this.
Sandra, please.
No.
Okay, Sandra, can you just let off me? Are you going to force me to marry you? I can't settle for less. You are now a village girl. Look at the kind of work you do. You are sweeping. Look at the things you do.
Mama.
No, tell yourself the truth. Let's call a spade a spade.
Look at what you're talking to
Mama, hold it. Mama, I'm sorry. But Mama, put me in your shoes.
You're telling my daughter that
Mama,
you cannot.
Mama,
see
please.
what you're telling my daughter.
Mama, please. Okay, you know what? I know how to settle this. Money. Can I have the money? Okay. I know the problem. The problem here is because you've not seen the money I've made. So, Sandra, this is a huge amount of money. This is hard currency, not Nigerian currency. Sandra, this money can cover everything you spent for me in the past, the things you've done for me. This money covers a whole lot, and you still have balance. So all you need to do is just to go to that man that used to change a dollar. Go there and change the dollar, okay? Change it and change your life too. You can also change the life of your mother. You guys should look better. So this is the money. Take.
What you promised me was love. I don't need your money. I don't need your money. I don't need your money.
Sandra, you know what? Just take this money, okay? Take this money and find something better for yourself, please. Okay? I am sorry.
You're doing this to me now. You already have another woman. Smith, what about our unborn child? What about the baby I am carrying? What about the fetus growing in my womb?
Smith's child is pregnant for you. My daughter is pregnant for him.
Surprise.
After 4 months, you leave my daughter suffering alone, vomiting alone.
I just want to spoil her.
Did you bring me here to humiliate me?
Babe, you can see these people are angry. I don't understand. Just calm down, okay? Sandra, he never told me you were pregnant, and I'm sure the pregnancy is not for me. So please stop this your pity party.
I know you're going to deny. You're going to deny this. I realized few days after you traveled that I got pregnant. I realized that I missed my period, and after then I started calling you. You stopped picking my call. I was only trying to give you the good news.
My daughter even buy another SIM card to call you. No way. This baby belongs to you. You are the one that got her pregnant.
Sandra, please take this money. I'm telling you for the last, I'm begging you for the last time. Take this money. I know this money will get a long way for you.
Money is not everything. What my daughter needs is your love. And she has sacrificed a lot for you. Just look at you have made it.
Mama, what would you have me do? No. Tell yourself, let's tell ourselves the truth. Mama, please. I've tried my best.
She's pregnant.
At least I tried to come back, to even come and see her. Not everybody will do that.
Smith, you're wicked.
But it's fine, Mama. Since I can see that she don't want to come for my wedding, it's okay. And you don't want to collect the money. It's fine, babe. Just enter the car, let's go. Please.
I'm not going anywhere with you, Smith. I'm sorry about
your
that.
own man.
I'm sorry about that. She just mentioned the fact that she's pregnant for you, and you just took it as a casual something.
Hold on, babe. What sin are you trying to bring up here? You're not going with me.
The fact that you lack human sympathy. How can a woman that sacrificed all this for you?
Babe, can we talk this thing later? Let's just leave it.
We are not talking about it later.
What's your problem?
My problem is the fact that you got a woman who gave you all, even when she had nothing. You want to abandon her and live with me? What if I was in her position? What would you have done to me?
Babe, please.
Smith, have you forgotten how everything happened? Do you know that this bragging, I have money, I'm made, I'm done, I've done this, I've done that. Do you know you are hiding under my umbrella? Are you aware that I was the one that made you who you are today? You are doing this to a fellow woman like me. You just want to let everything, the fact that she's pregnant and everything, slide under the carpet. You think you can buy her love with money? What's wrong with you? Do you know what? This whole marriage plans, the engagement, I'm calling everything off.
Babe, you can't do it.
As a matter of fact, you can have your engagement ring. Take it. Here you go. This is your engagement ring. I'm done for real. I cannot end up with a heartless man like you, Smith.
Babe, can you stop this?
Can I have my money?
Stop this.
My dear, I'm so sorry. I lack words to describe this whole thing that is going on now. I'm not even aware that both of you shared something very intimate in the past. He never mentioned it to me. He just said he wanted us to invite a very good friend of his. And that is the reason I had to come with him here. See, you can have this money. You mentioned the fact that you left the city and you came here. You are doing menial jobs just to put food on your table and that of your moms. You can just use this and start up something meaningful. At least a business, and just use it and also take care of your baby. At least register under any hospital for antenatal or something.
My daughter, thank you so much.
Okay,
God bless you. You still have human sympathy.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
All right,
my daughter, it's okay. God will bring another man for you.
Can I have my car key? Give me my car key, Smith. I don't have time for too much talk. Give me my car key.
Can you stop? Look, can you stop this thing?
Get off my car. Now.
Babe.
This thing that you did for my daughter, God will pay you back.
Get that go away from here! Don't come close to me! Get out! Go! Get out! Be going! Go now!
I'm sorry.
Leave!
I'm sorry.
Just go. Just go.
Leave
my daughter alone. Go. Go.
Babe, can you trust?
Go. Leave my daughter alone. Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.